All right, you are now doing solve a system of linear inequalities by graphing. It's Algebra 1, T.6. So in this section, the hardest part, I think, is understanding how to manipulate this graph. So let me just make this a little bit smaller. So you are solving this system of inequalities by graphing them. Y is less than 2 and y is greater than -4. So the first thing that you do is go down here to one of the equations. So I'm choosing y is less than 2. I'll click on that blue block, and now I can go ahead to where y is 2, and I will make a line horizontal going through 2 on the y-axis. Now, because this is less than, not less than or equal to, I have to make this line a dashed line. So I'm going back up to the line. You see those 3 black dashes. I'm clicking it. Now that line is dashed. It's all done. That means y is less than 2. All of the solutions are below it, but anything on the line is not a solution. Now I'll go ahead and click on the purple. Y is greater than -4. So I'm going to -4 on the y-axis. I'm making it a horizontal line going through -4 on the y-axis. And this is all greater than. It's not greater than or equal to. So it can't be a solid line. It has to be dashed. So I will click it again, and it's now a dashed line. Now I can go to hit shade. Inequalities, you have to shade them. My blue line says less than 2, and my purple line is greater than -4. So I go up to here and look to see where is it less than the blue and greater than the 4. We're looking at the y-axis. On the y-axis, above here is greater than -4, and below here is less than 2. So I click on that, and I'm done. I will submit it. That is my solution, by the way. This entire shaded area is your solution. Anything on a dashed line is not a solution. Submit. Now here, again, it's a horizontal lines going through y, but it's less than or equal to 4, greater than or equal to -1. Now I will want solid lines. So y is less than or equal to 4. I do want that line solid, so I won't click on it again. And y is greater than or equal to -1. -1 on my y-axis. I want the line to be solid because it's or equal to. So points on those 2 lines are part of the solution. Now it's greater than or equal to -1. That means above the green line. It's less than or equal to 4, so it's below the yellow line. So I will click in there. And that's our solution area. Submit. Okay, good. We have something a little bit different. So this will be a horizontal line going through -5 on the y-axis. So here I'll click on my green. I'll go to -5 on the y-axis. I'm making it a horizontal line, and I left it solid because it is or equal to. Now I'll go to the blue line. On the blue line, it's in slope-intercept form. My slope is 6, or written as 6/1. My y-intercept is right here, -7. So when you're graphing a line, when it's in slope-intercept form, you begin on the y-axis with your y-intercept. In this case, it's -7. So -7. And then you move to another point on the line with your slope. This tells me to rise 6 units and go to the right 1 unit because they're both positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to the right 1. Now I have to click the solution area. Oh, but wait a minute. This cannot be, that has to be a dashed line because there's no underline underneath it. Now I'll shade. I'm shading below, no, I'm sorry, greater than, above the green line, and this is less than, below the blue line. So there's my shaded area, and we're done.